Using colorful pipe cleaners and beads can help you make a fun counting math activity for your kids. To make your own set, you need pipe cleaners, paper, a pen, glue, and beads. Start by cutting your paper in strips, 2 inches long and 1 inch tall. Fold each paper in half and write a number on each. Put one piece of paper around one end of the pipe cleaner and fix it in place with your glue. Now have your kids add the correct number of beads to the right pipe cleaner. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.